Hey, what do you want to talk to me about?
You can wait.
Something's wrong. You should tell me. We've all got to start talking to each other again.
This might not be the best place to start, Scott.
You think I'm going to be angry?
Not with me.
Theo, you can talk to me.
Open the glove compartment. Belonged to Stiles. He dropped it at the school.
Dropped it when?
When he killed Donovan.
What are you talking about?
No, it was his shoulder, right? You smelled the blood.
That was the Jeep. So the Jeep's hood fell on him.
No, that was Donovan. He went after Stiles at the library. I only saw the end of it, and when I saw what Stiles was doing, I couldn't stop it. I shouldn't be telling you this. You should hear this from him.
Tell me.
I saw Donovan go down. Stiles hit him with the wrench, and then he just kept hitting him. Maybe it was because he threatened to kill his dad, or maybe Stiles thought he had to keep going to defend himself. But he just kept hitting him.
That's not possible.
He crushed that kid's skull. I heard it cracking and it splintering. By the time I pulled Stiles off him, half of Donovan's head was caved in. It didn't even look real. I kept telling myself that it was self-defense. It was self-defense, but Scott, I'm sorry. I've never seen anything like it, and I've never seen anyone that angry. You should talk to Stiles. You have to talk to him.